Hi everybody, welcome back to Real Estate Investing Adventures. Why? Because real estate is fun and it should always be an adventure. If you're a return guest, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jurek and I'm a real estate investor. I travel all over the country and work with people just like you, trying to get started in real estate or take your real estate investing to the next level. What am I going to talk about in this video? Another no money down strategy. I know a lot of people often ask me, Joe, I want to get involved in real estate, but I absolutely have zero money. I don't know how to do it. I know there's different options out there that I can try, but what are some of your suggestions? So in this No Money Down series and playlist, I've put together a lot of different ideas, so check out the playlist if you haven't already. In this video, the No Money Down strategy we're going to talk about is trading a good or a service maybe as a down payment for a property. Now often when we look at certain deals, people don't always have to have cash. They will tell you they want cash, but that doesn't mean they necessarily have to have cash. So this is what I would suggest. As you start talking to the person and better understand what they're looking for, I've heard cases where people have traded maybe a car they haven't used in the past for a down payment, and that person needed a vehicle for their child to go to school or work or whatever it might have been. So the value of the vehicle was in theory the down payment for the property, and they were able to secure other means of financing because they had some skin in the game, something into the property. Another idea besides trading something would be providing a service. I've had different contractor friends tell me over the years they've done different things to work with investors as well as to find deals. I've had people such as a pool person that I knew. He told me he did some pool work. Somebody's pool wasn't running correctly, needed new equipment, needed to be reglazed, that sort of thing. So he traded a service as a down payment for the property that he was looking at acquiring. So a few tips that you want to think about: see what your seller actually really needs, not what the seller just wants. They may want something, but what do they really need? Are they open and are willing to negotiate with you? If you are, you can get creative and think of different things that would work for them and work for you as well. You know, I've often heard about, people just talking through a deal, and once they better understand what each party needs, they can reach a conclusion that works for both parties. So I hope this little strategy might be helpful for you in the future. Get out there, make those dreams a reality. Take care now. Believe and achieve. Bye-bye. Do it now. Believe and achieve. Take care.